Welcome to Kubet Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system to help with stock market analysis and buying and selling decisions. Please note that this is an experimental system and we are committed to transparency and sharing the results of this AI engine on a regular basis. Please ensure that you do your thorough analysis before you take any actions based on what we discuss in this video. This video is for educational purposes only. So the stock idea for today is CG Power, which is right now trading at around 439 rupees, and the target price for this stock is 461 with a stop loss of 433.66. In the previous two transactions, this stock was able to gain about 8% in a period of 22 days, but the second transaction was really small. So I would say for almost 1.5 months, we should get around 8% return. What we can see here is this stock was trading at a lower percent, below the lower band, but it has just crossed the lower band and has started its move upwards. If we also look at the RSI, it is the RSI is decreasing, but hopefully that trend will soon reverse. As far as the beta values go, the beta value is higher than expected, but this may be a good opportunity to buy this stock. Yes, it is slightly a high risk stock, but let's see how it performs in the upcoming days. So that's all we have for 28th of February, that is Wednesday of 2024, and thanks for watching.